quick update on the caliber. Recently, someone backed into me as I was backing out of a parking space, like across from each other in like a shopping center, and found a little bit of damage. You can see this rear crash bar was severely rusted. The little impact cracked it. So just got a new one, and that should go on pretty easily. It's just 7 bolts, 3 on this side, 4 on this side, 2 screws on the fender washer.
Wait, there's 4 on that side. See, 4.
Oh, there's only 3 over there.
Oh.
3 on that side, 4 on this side.
See,
Have some help
1,
today.
2, 3.
And 1 screw here on each side. But yeah, no damage to the actual bumper cover, just that cracked. So we're gonna be putting that brand new one on. Figured it was easier to get a new one for like 80 bucks than trying to find another one at a junkyard. Keep going. There we are. New bumper's on. Luckily, it was real easy to come apart because whatever they coat the nuts in makes it come apart really easily. They don't rust. So, you helped, right?
Yeah.
So, that was actually pretty easy. Now just put the cover on. Caliber is all back together. If you live anywhere that there's rust issues, check your crash bars. Because as you can see, this one's going to the trash. That's useless. So, hope you guys like the short little video. But yeah, that's something that you gotta look out for. Because that is not safe at all. I'm so glad that that happened in the parking lot where it was a minor bump, because that's all it was a little like a 2-mile-per-hour bump. And yeah, if it would have been a real impact, it would have been a lot worse. So I'm so glad that that happened when it did. Now I know to check that. So, until next time.